up now. You got him.
Damn it!
You can handle it. You can now. Did you just call me a midget? Oh, hell no.
Finish him, Daddy.
How did you get for calling me a midget? Good question. Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Let us go, Sonny.
Alright. Get on out of here. Really? You gonna take all the damn children? Hell no. Nope. But can't get me. You can't get me. Can't get me. I'm on the llama. I'm on the llama. Oh, crap. No, what I meant to do that. Hey. Bruh. I really had to follow his ass. God damn it. All that for nothing just to zoom out of the scene for like 2 seconds? Alright. I'm not complaining. Oh, just ignore all those dead bodies I just killed. Oh. I did not mean to do that. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't die. But hey guys, no hard feelings, right? Alright. Sorry guys, coming through. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Coming through. I'm coming through. Alright, time to get some training in, fellas. Boom. Bobbity bob. Wait. Ooh.
Boom! Headshot!
I think you just hit a civilian. Ooh, we got some more action to do. Hell yeah. Alright. What if I don't want to? Ooh, stealth. Huh? You didn't see nothing. All you saw is just a ghost. And
Finish him,
good
Daddy.
night. Haha. Gotta be very, very stealthy. Very. What are you doing?
Fuck off.
Good night.
Oh!
Yeah. Gotta be very, very quiet, or they will see me. Oh. Oh, my bad. I did not mean to do it. Come back. Alright. I was gonna apologize, but never mind. Sorry, coming through. I'm annoyed. Get out of my way. I'm annoyed. Move. Get out of my way. Alright. This is a party over here. Oh. Sorry. I was enjoying that. My bad. Alright. You're getting annoying. Stop! Alright, time to finally climb up this damn tower. But seriously, really? But climb! Can you not be? But no, that's not what I want. No. But are you serious?
This thing is called cookies, where like if you go to a site and buy something, it'll remember you and then create ads for other stuff you might want to buy.
So it learns information about me? Seems like an invasion of privacy.
Dude, if you think that's bad, go to Google Earth and type in your address.
Come on. Yep. No. Okay, there we go. No. Get. Why you going? I hate my life. But come on, it's not that hard to press A. Ooh, what is that?
I don't want to play alone.
Let's get inside of it. Why is this action music going? It literally teleported me all the way to the goddamn bottom of the map.